Welcome to Shirl's Foodies, and I'm Shirley. I'm back with another new recipe, that is chicken puff. So to make the puff, we'll require 2 cups of flour, salt to taste, and here I've got dalda. This we'll use only as much as required. So first, to make a dough, we'll add salt to the flour. Then we'll first add at least a tablespoon of dalda. Then we'll slowly knead it. So friends, here I have mixed it well. Now we'll make a soft dough of this. We'll slowly add in water. And start kneading the flour. Friends, here I've prepared a soft dough, and now we'll cover it and let it rest for about half an hour. Meanwhile, we'll start preparing the stuffing for the puffs. So here I have 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped, 1 cup of chicken mince, few coriander leaves finely chopped. Here I have 1.5 tablespoon of ginger, garlic and red chili paste, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, that is dhania powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, that is haldi powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala and salt to taste. So let's get started. Now first, in a pan we'll add in oil. Here I am using olive oil. As you can see, I am using olive oil, and to this we'll first add in onions. We'll saute the onions until they are nice and light pink in color. Now to this we'll add chicken mince. Now we'll add salt to taste. To this we'll add coriander leaves. And ginger, garlic and red chili paste. We'll give it a quick stir. To this we'll add turmeric powder, coriander powder and garam masala. Just mix them all very well. We'll cook this until the chicken is done. So friends, here our chicken stuffing is ready. Now we'll sprinkle some flour on the table. Now after letting this dough rest for half an hour, we'll take it off on a platform. We'll start rolling it with a rolling pin. Just roll it out evenly from all sides. Now we'll apply some dalda. Just make sure you apply it evenly. So friends, here I have applied dalda. Now we'll fold it as I'm showing you over here. We'll just sprinkle some flour. And then fold it again. We'll sprinkle some more flour. And roll it again. Now we'll spread dalda again. Now we'll fold it again. You have to repeat this step for 3 times. Sprinkle some flour and fold it again. Roll it again and then again fold it and roll it. Now this is the third time we are applying the dalda. Friends, here I have used dalda. You can even use butter. Now fold it again. And finally, now we'll refrigerate it for about half an hour. It's been half an hour and I have taken it out of the refrigerator. It is nice and soft. Now we'll roll it out again. So friends, here I've rolled it out. Now with a big knife, we'll cut this dough into rectangles. Just cut out even pieces of the dough. Now we'll put the stuffing on every piece of dough. Make sure you don't add too much of stuffing. Just fill each one of them equally and then we'll fold it. Here we'll first apply some water on the borders of the dough. This will help to stick the dough easily. So friends, this way one of my puff is ready. You'll have to similarly make all the puffs. So friends, here I have lined the baking tray with parchment paper and placed the puffs on it. And here I have some butter and milk mixed together. Just make sure you don't melt the butter much. Now coat each of the puffs well with this mixture. This will make the crust of your puff nice golden brown and crispy. Now when you are done coating each of the puff, make sure you preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and then we'll bake it for about 15 minutes. So friends, here my puffs are ready. I've taken it out of the oven and placed it on a tray. Now I'll cut one of the puff and show you how it looks from inside. The puff is nice and hot and even crispy. So here as you can see, the puffs are nice, hot, crispy and juicy. Please do try this recipe at home. So friends, if you like this recipe, make sure you hit the like button, share it with your friends and family. And if you are new to my channel or if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, make sure you subscribe. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon for new and amazing recipes. Thanks for watching.